Hello students, so in the previous video you studied how to calculate a standard deviation using actual mean method. Next one is assumed mean method. There's a formula here is square root of summation d square divided by n minus summation d divided by n the whole square. So how here continuing illustration 14, same 14. You need to calculate standard deviation by assumed mean method, right? As it is x values. Next, assumed mean. That means here no need of calculating any mean values. Instead of that, you can select any. You can choose any one from this. You can assume any one numbers. So here they are taken assumed mean as 162. Either you can take 160, 161, 162, 163, 164 or 170. That is according to your wish, you can assume any value. So here they have taken assumed mean as 162. Next you need to find the d value. D value here is x minus a. A here is 162. So 160 minus 162. 161 minus 162. Same. From this values you need to minus 162. 160 minus 162, 160 minus 162, 161 minus 162, 162 minus 162. Similarly, you need to find all the d values. Next, you need to find the d square. Here the d square is 2 2s are 4, 4, 1, 0, 1 square, 1 square, 1 square, 2 square, 2 square and 8 square. Next, add all the values. Here summation d, that means you are here in this, you need to consider all the signs. That means a plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2. So you will get plus 10 as summation d. Next, add all this d square values so that you will get summation d square. So next, apply the formula. Summation d square divided by n minus summation d divided by n the whole square. Summation d square here is 84 divided by n. Number of observations are 10 here. Minus summation d here is 10. 10 by 10 the whole square. That means 8.4 minus 10 by 10 is 1. 1 square is 1 only. So that is equal to square root of 7.4. You will get 2.72 as standard deviation. Next method is direct method. Same illustration here. X values are taken and you need to find mean deviation, standard deviation. For that, the formula here is standard deviation, which is equal to summation x square divided by n minus summation x divided by n the whole square. For this, summation x means all the total of x values, you will get summation x. Now next, for x square, that means 160 square, 160 square, 161 square, 162 square, 163 square, 163 square, 164 square, 164 square, 170 square. You will get the x square values. Add all the x square values so that you will get summation x square. Next, apply the formula. Summation x square here is 2,65,764 minus summation x here is 1,630 divided by 10 the whole square. That means here you will get 26,576.4 as here minus here 0 cancel. 160 square here is 26,569, which is equal to, when you minus these values from this, you will get square root of 7.4. What is the value here? That is 2.72 centimeter is your standard deviation. Next, step deviation method. The formula here is summation d bar square divided by n minus summation d bar divided by n the whole square into c. X values are given 5, 10, 25, 30, 50. Next, d you have to take. Deviation taken from 25 is a common factor of 5. So either you can assume any of the numbers here. So they had taken x as 25. So d is equal to x minus a. 5 minus 25, 10 minus 25, 25 minus 25, 30 minus 25, 50 minus 25. So you will get d. Next, d bar. How to calculate d bar? X minus a divided by c. X minus a, x minus 25. C they had taken. See, when deviation is 25, what is the common factor you can take? See, all the numbers are divisible by 5. So you can take c as 5. Why? Because all the numbers are, the values are divisible by 5. So 20 by 5, 15 by 3, 5 by 1, 5 by 5. So 20 by 5 you will get minus 4, minus 15 by 5 you will get minus 3, plus 5 by 5 you will get 1, 25 by 5 you will get 1.